Hey everyone, welcome to the Analytical Coding. In today's video, we are going to learn what is data modeling. So let's get started. Till now, we have extracted, transformed and loaded our data using Power Query. Right? So here I am again in the Power Query editor and I have three different tables, that is order table, product details table and salesperson table. In salesperson, we are having person name and ID. In product details, I'm having product ID with the product name and its category. And in order table, I'm having product ID, order ID along with order quantity and the salesperson ID. Now, I'm going to click on close and apply so that the data will be loaded into the Power BI desktop. So here you can see that we are having three different tables, right? So, though we have extracted, transformed and loaded our data, we are still left with collection of unrelated tables. So, which will make it difficult to do any sort of meaningful analysis. So, in this data modeling tutorial parts, we will be focusing on creating table relationships and building a proper relational model. So, we will cover some really important topics here. So, you will be thinking of, so what is this data modeling, right? Observe here carefully that in this model view, we are having three different tables, right? Now, this is not a data model. So we are having three tables, but it is not a data model. This is a collection of independent tables which do not share any connections or relationships. So what happened without relationships, right? So let us go back to the report view and add a table. And here I am going to add columns from the product tables, that is product details table. I am adding product ID, and from the order table I am going to add the order quantity, that is sum of order quantity. And here you can see that for every product ID we are having the same order quantity sum. Why we are getting the same order quantity? So without the relationships between the table, you will get the data as shown if we include columns from the three independent tables. So let us go back to our model view. And you can see that we have made some relationships between all the three tables, right? Now this is a data model. So the tables are connected via relationships based on the common field. That is for product details and orders. You can see that the common field is product ID. And for salesperson and order, the common field is the person ID. Now, let us go back to our report view. And you can see that we are not having the same data for all the product IDs. That is, now the data got filled using the fields from other related tables. So this is why data modeling is powerful. That is, it allows us to pull the data from all different places and data sources. And as long as we have keys or connections to form the relationship between the tables. That means we can analyze the data from all the different sources in one centralized space, right? So here, so data modeling is the process of organizing and connecting data so you can use it effectively in reports and dashboards. So it helps structure the data in a way that makes analysis easier and more efficient. So here, what are the key steps in data modeling means? We have to create some relationships, and if we need we can add some calculations and optimize the data, right? So why it is important to do data modeling? Because it makes easier to connect different tables, and it enables creating interactive reports, and also it improves the report speed and performance. So it helps in building a clear reusable structures for future analysis. So a good data model is the foundation of every Power BI report, so ensuring your visuals are correct and your insights are reliable. So this is what a overview of the data modeling. So in our future videos, we are going to cover some basic principles of data modeling, which includes normalization, fact and dimension tables, and some different schemas, table relationships, active and inactive, and also we are going to cover the creating the hierarchies, data categories, and much more. So Stay tuned for the more videos. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.